discover how to stop snoring quickly and easily without undergoing any risky surgery. Here's your chance to learn astonishing non-surgical cures for snoring that will have you sleeping and feeling better in no time. If you are unable to get a good night's sleep due to your own or someone else's snoring, or if you or a loved one often wake up gasping for breath or have to continually adjust your sleeping position, then this is definitely the most important video you will watch today. I am about to reveal the secrets that will finally help you or your loved one stop snoring and get a good night's sleep tonight and tomorrow night and the night after night and so on. But first, before we go any further, let me ask you a quick question. Did you know that snoring is often not just a minor annoying problem, but a symptom of a much more serious health condition? Well, it's true. You see, snoring can also be a symptom of 9 major health conditions, including a potentially life-threatening condition called sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is when a person involuntarily stops breathing while asleep. It is sleep apnea that causes a snorer to breathe so heavily, not to mention loudly. Sleep apnea is also what causes a person to wake up gasping, or to continually adjust their sleeping position over and over throughout the night, resulting in a lack of deep rest, which has a cumulative degenerative effect on a person, affecting their mood, temperament, and ability to focus, concentrate, and be a productive individual. And that's why if you or a loved one currently snore, I urge you to continue to watch this video to discover the ebook that contains all the tips and information you need to know to stop snoring without undergoing any risky surgery. Introducing Quit Snoring Now, Take Back Your Nights. At last, there's a well-researched, well-written ebook that is jam-packed with the techniques and secrets you need to know to stop snoring and begin enjoying restful sleep. Here is just some of what you will learn. 1. Why snoring only occurs when we are sleeping. 2. What causes some people to snore louder than others. 3. Who snores the most and why, plus the 15 most common causes of snoring. 4. Dangerous physical conditions that snoring may be a symptom of. 5. Emotional problems can be caused by snoring. 6. Why surgery is rarely, if ever, the best solution for snoring. much, much more. So, what are you waiting for? Order your copy of Quit Snoring now. Quit Snoring now contains the tips, techniques, and secrets you need to know. To quit snoring, sleep better and begin feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. So, don't you owe it to yourself and your loved ones? To get the information you need to stop snoring once and for all. You can take advantage of a special promotional offer and receive the Quit Snoring Now ebook for just $1. Please click on the link below in the description for more information. Thank you for watching this video.